Hello, doers, and welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. I do most of my communicating from the comfort of my email inbox, but jumping back and forth between an inbox and CRM can be a bit of a headache. But with Odoo, users can directly link email information to their database. Not only that, but Odoo Mailbox plugins allow users to instantly create contacts, opportunities, tasks, and even more directly from their inbox. So let's dive into our database to see how easy it is to set up and use Mailbox plugins, specifically the Outlook plugin with Odoo. From the main dashboard, we're going to hop into our apps application over here. Then we need to search for Outlook, but first we're going to clear that filter and type in Outlook. Okay, great. We want to make sure that the Microsoft Outlook module specifically is installed. One important note before continuing, make sure you check your database version at the bottom of the settings page. This setup right here process applies to databases running version 19.2 and later. All right, now that we're configured in Odoo, let's move over to Outlook. Over here, we can see that we already opened this email about a potential lead, Addison Olson over here. To install the plugin, we're actually going to select our nice little apps icon from the top right corner of the email itself right here, not the main Outlook header. And then we're going to click it. Looks like a little brick over here. And then we're going to select in the bottom right corner, get add-ins. All right, perfect. From here, we have two options. You can search directly inside of Outlook or install from Microsoft Marketplace. We're going to use the Outlook method because it's quick and it's easy. So inside of our search field, we're going to type in the word Odoo right there. Perfect. A couple things came up. All right, now you see this one that says Odoo Inbox Add-in? We're going to click Add and then Continue, and boom, that's it. No custom files, downloads, or XML or anything else or uploads required anymore. It's a nice improvement, right? So once installed, we can actually close this add-ins window over here and close both of them. Perfect. So now when we select our nice little app icon once again, would you look at that? We have it right there. All right, so the plugin panel opens over here on the right side of the email. So let's click right there on our Odoo one. All right, so the very first thing it's going to ask us is for our database URL. I already have it ready to paste. There we go. We're going to select login. All right, so now this very first thing pops up and we select allow. And then you'll get a secondary pop-up. Select allow on that one as well. It may or may not be visible over here, but once you select allow on both, boom, we're connected. Now let's see this in action. Since this email is about a potential lead for an Addison Olson, we're going to work with that. So we're going to click on our sweet little magnifying glass right here. And now we've got this nice little search bar right there. So we're going to look for Addison. Okay, look at that. There we go. All right, let's click on that contact right there. So from here, we're going to click on that purple, nice little mail thing that we have right there, our nice little contact information right there. And let's see what happens then. Boom. That's it. It's already at this point changed into a nice little check mark for us, and it tells us the email has been logged to the contact record. All right, now let's jump back into Odoo. So back over on Odoo, we're going to open up our contacts application over here and look for Addison. We're going to click it right there. And would you look at that? There it is. The email is logged directly in the chatter, meaning all communication stays centralized, organized, and easy to access. So back over in Outlook, we can also create records directly from the plugin. For example, if we click on this nice little plus sign that we have over here next to opportunities, we can create a CRM opportunity from this email. We could also create tasks or tickets using the same process, but we're going to focus on opportunities for now. So this opened a new browser tab with a fresh opportunity record already populated. Now you'll notice the title over here comes directly from the email subject line, and the email content is automatically added to the notes area of the opportunity, and we can see that right below. And because we have leads enabled in CRM settings, we can convert this into a full opportunity using the button above that says convert to opportunity right there. And just to confirm that it exists in CRM, we're going to jump back over right now to our nice little leads section right there. And if we type in Addison right here, boom, you look at that. You can see that right there, all created directly from the comfort of our Outlook inbox. Pretty cool, don't you think? There you have it. There you have it all, and it's all perfectly easy, folks. That's how easy and quick it is to set up and use the Outlook Mailbox plugin with Odoo. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.